There are advantages to having twins after you already have children. Let's talk about what those are and how they can work for your advantage as a twin parent. My name is Joe Rawlinson, the founder of dadsguidetotwins.com, where I help fathers of twins like yourself survive and thrive along your twin journey. Okay, so let's imagine a situation, which you may very well be in, that you already have kids, and surprise, you find out that you're having twins. It's not the end of the world. Here are 6 advantages of having already been a parent before you discover you're going to be a twin parent. Number 1, the odds are pretty good that you have room in your home for twins. If you already have a child or children, you've probably already had to upgrade your living space to make room for them. And as such, you probably have an extra room or can share a room to accommodate the twins' arrival. Maybe no need to move, which is a great advantage. The second advantage is hand-me-downs. If you've got twins coming and you already have a child or more, you may have clothes and baby gear and supplies that you can use with your twins. Your twins may be able to wear the same clothes as their older brother or sisters, and the fact that you may already have a car seat or a stroller gets you kind of half the way there with twins, where you may just need to buy 1 extra crib instead of 2 cribs. You may just need to buy 1 extra car seat instead of 2 car seats. You get the idea. So try to reuse what you already have. Maybe it's already stored in the attic or in the closet or the garage. Go get that out, dust it off, clean it up, and you'll be ready for your twins. The next advantage is that you know how to parent. You know the basics, you know the logistics, you know how to change a diaper, how to feed a baby, how to soothe the baby, how to hold a baby, how to get a baby down to sleep. These are things that you've done before, and if it's been a while since you had an infant, it'll come back to you just like riding a bicycle. The only challenge you're going to have now is figure out how to do 2 babies at the same time, which, because you're already a parent, you have the advantage of knowing how to do it. Just have to figure out how to take turns or to figure out how to do both babies at the same time. No problem. Another advantage of having twins after you already have children is you know what you want as a parent. You've done some trial and error already with your first children, your first child. They, of course, were the guinea pig. You kind of found out what worked, what didn't work, what you liked to do, the reactions that you got, the reactions you didn't get. And now, with twins, you have the opportunity to use everything that you've learned and just apply the principles and the concepts and the techniques that worked and just leave out the stuff that didn't work. Of course, twins are going to be new people, new personalities, their own individuals, and you'll have to adapt your parenting to each of them. Another advantage of having already been a parent before you have twins is that you know what to expect. You kind of have a glimpse of what you're getting yourself into. Lots of diapers, sleepless nights, feeding challenges. You've seen it before, and now you're going to see it again just times 2. And so that may freak you out and may scare you, which is totally natural. But it's also going to allow you to try to plan and anticipate those needs. Maybe you need to call in some extra helpers. Have grandma come stay with you a little bit longer because it was tough with the first child and you know it's going to be a little bit tougher with twins. Okay, so the last advantage of having already been a parent when the twins arrive is that you may have built-in helpers in your other child or children. Now, of course, this depends on how old they are when the twins are born. In our case, when our twin girls were born, we had 2 very young boys already, so everybody was under the age of 3. So what that meant for us, our 3-year-old was not going to change the diaper of his baby sisters. However, we could ask him to go run and get something for us. So we could say, hey, go get the burp cloth off the floor. Hey, go grab a diaper out of the nursery. And the child could follow those instructions and help you in that manner while you're trying to soothe 2 babies at the same time. If your kids are older when the twins are born, even more of an advantage because they can help with those extra things. They can help mix up a bottle of formula. They can even hold or soothe the baby. They can give you a break when you're trying to take care of the babies and need a breather. And so don't forget that it's not just you and your partner, but it's your other children that are part of this family and can help with the twins as well. You just need to adjust the expectations of what they're going to do for you, do what they're going to do for the twins based on their age. From simple tasks that maybe a toddler sibling can do to something more complex that a teenage sibling can do to help you with those twins. All right, so if you already have kids and are expecting twins or you have twins, what are some of the advantages that you feel, because were already a parent, benefited you as a parent of twins? Why don't you go ahead and leave those below in the comments of this video. As always, you can check out some of these other videos for practical tips and tricks on preparing for and having your twins. And if you'd like to get notified about new videos that come out to help you along your twin journey, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And of course, if you're looking to upgrade your wardrobe and love a t-shirt like this, Twin Story, you should head on over to twint-shirtcompany.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.